In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw from Ctrader. While you place trades in the Ctrader platform, withdrawals are handled by your broker, so we'll do everything through your broker's website or client portal. Think of it as the cashier window for your trading account. First, open your broker's official website or client portal. Use a trusted bookmark or type the URL carefully to avoid lookalikes, and make sure you're on a secure connection. Most brokers also offer a mobile app for their portal if you prefer using your phone. Now, log in with your credentials. If you have two-factor authentication, have your code ready. If you're logging in from a new device, expect a quick verification. Before you move on, confirm you're in the correct live trading account if you have more than one. It's also a good moment to ensure your profile and identity verification are complete, because many brokers won't process withdrawals until that's done. Next, find the withdraw option. It might be labeled withdraw, funds, cashier, or payments. If you can't see it right away, check under your account menu or the wallet section. Missing buttons usually mean verification is pending, so resolve that first. Choose your withdrawal method. Common options include bank transfer, card, and e-wallets, and availability depends on your region and how you originally funded the account. Many brokers follow a same source rule, meaning withdrawals must go back to the method you used to deposit, at least up to the deposited amount. Take a moment to review estimated processing times and any fees. If you can select a currency, matching your bank or wallet currency can help you avoid conversion costs. Enter your amount and the required details. Ensure you have enough free margin. Withdrawals can fail if your open positions need the funds to meet margin requirements. Watch for minimums and maximums. For bank transfers, enter accurate account information such as IBAN and SWIFT. For cards or wallets, provide the requested digits or account ID exactly as shown. The name on the receiving account must match your trading profile, as most brokers don't allow third-party withdrawals. Finally, confirm the withdrawal. Review the summary, including fees, the net amount you'll receive, and the estimated timeline. Complete any security prompts, then submit. You should see a confirmation on screen and usually receive an email. You can track the status in your portal under Transactions or History. It will typically show as pending, then processed. Bank transfers can take a few business days, while cards and e-wallets are often faster. That's the full process. Open the portal, log in, select withdraw, pick your method, enter the details and amount, and confirm. Keep your account secure, double-check information before submitting, and allow for processing times, especially around weekends and holidays.